Hello, everybody. One more time. My name is Alex Centeno, and in this episode, we're going to be taking a look at something that I've been asked for years. I did this video a long time ago, about I think 7 years ago, about how to merge two images together in Photoshop. And one of the biggest things that people were asking were how to get the images in different layers in Photoshop to begin with. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. Very simple tutorial for beginners, and it's going to be how do you get images into Photoshop into separate layers. Let's get to it. All right, here I am in Photoshop, and basically all I have done here is just open a new document and set a width to 1920 by 1080 height, and then this is what I have here, a blank canvas, right? I have it in black, but you can have it also in white if you had it set to that default. So that's all that we have here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop from my desktop. So before we do that, let's just give proper credit to the images providers. And it's going to be Walden Mir, Wald and Mir, and CJ Talem and Walden Mir. Thank you so much for the images for this tutorial. They are available for free on pexels.com. The details should be in the description below. So I'm going to grab the first image from CJ inside of my desktop, and I'm just going to click and drag. I get a plus sign. I'm just going to drop. I get the image placed there with a bounding box, and I can just click and drag from there. Once I am happy with the sizing, I press return, and that sets it into a separate layer as a smart object. And you can see that it's a smart object because of this interesting icon that it has in the lower right corner. And then what I'm going to do is grab the second image from my desktop, click and drag, and now drop it one more time on top of my canvas. And here it is. And all I have to do one more time is click and drag from the bounding box until I'm happy with the sizing. In this case, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that I use this one as the background, and hit OK or return. All right, I'm going to position it. And then I can click and drag from the middle of the layer to reposition them in the order. So this is closer to the background, this is closer to the top. Same applies to the layers showing. So this one is the one that is going to be positioned towards the top. And then you can go about doing your techniques from here. In the particular video that we were talking about, the technique is to actually do a transition between two images. So, and in that video, what we did was that instead of doing the transition using the delete key or the deleting tools, we did so with masking, and that's what we're doing here as well. Just masking so that you get a smooth transition between them. Awesome. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial, and hit the like, subscribe, and tell a good friend if you like this, and we can continue to do more videos like this. Alrighty, you guys take care. See you in the next one.